Ebo, this story is strange.
There is a concrete evidence that something is wrong. For example, there are vital documents in the hands of a dangerous gang. They want to spoil your name and destroy your administration.
No. What documents?
Documents of enquiry, document of some deals, document of some money from hand to the suitcase. Governor, you should understand that. For example, they mark something, a group, top secret. Maybe I was in London when I discovered that they are tracing my account.
Really?
Yes.
But you still haven't told me the source of your information.
Chief Tidimugi, you know he works in the university. Yes. And this group is based in university. Hey. Silver lines.
The silver lines.
Hey.
I know about the silver lines.
I don't think you do, sir.
I beg your pardon. I'm telling you I do.
Then you should know that they are bent on discrediting your administration.
Yes.
No. I don't believe you.
All right, let Chief TK relate his experience in the hands of those blackmailers.
They have ruined my business, infiltrated the ranks of my workers, sponsored a strike, and took money from me.
And now their president and a girl called Funke are suddenly behaving like millionaires, driving about in a car and checking into expensive hotels together.
Yes, together. Together.
Is that so?
Now they're publishing a magazine where they intend to demolish the credibility of your administration using authentic documents. Look at this handbill.
What? God of Iron.
Corruption Unlimited. 2 billion. Ebo?
Governor, if this should get to our boss in the capital city, Lord Olorioko, we are in trouble.
These young people are devils.
We have to stop them before it is too late.
Oh, yes.
I mean, there are other groups on campus that can promote the good image of your administration.
You must do something very quickly to put an end to it.